Hi, friends. Hey, it's Bill Free here. Namaste. So good to be with you. And may you enjoy your holidays, your Christmas season, wherever you are. I'm coming to invite you to an event that I've been invited to with the Miracle Network community in January for my upcoming session, Resting as Awareness. It's the holy instant revisited. It's really understanding that every moment is available to experience the holy instant. And what does that mean? It means that we have access to the eternal simply by the recognition that we are this holy instant. We are the eternal presence that has been looking for itself. And I'm excited about sharing a true experiential practice with the Holy Instant, where you'll get to see for yourself that the Holy Instant is simply the understanding and the movement of our attention from the objective experiences of the activity of the mind and the content of experience to acknowledge that awareness is always, it's always you. It's always right here. And you could say that the holy instant and awareness are synonymous with each other. If you're a Course in Miracles student, you also understand that the holy instant is a profound invitation to lay aside efforting and return to what's already awake as us. We'll look at why Jesus says in the Course, I need do nothing. And it's really amazing because when we relax our attention on the activity of the mind and we just rest as presence, rest as awareness, a whole new expression reveals itself as us. Intuitively, we just know where to go. We know what to say to whom because we're listening with active listening. Our active listening device is tuned in and turned on. It's like if consciousness or the universe suddenly hooked us up with a walkie-talkie and says, "Can you hear me yet?" And we hear our true self, our true nature, intuitively telling us what to do in all situations with the wisdom of the universe, simply by acknowledging that we are that in the quiet place. We are that in this holy instant experience. And if you feel called to deepen your practice, your understanding, and your seeing, using the holy instant in every moment in a fresh and living way, I'd love for you to join me in January for this session at the Miracles Network community. And if you click the link on this video, you'll find the registration page. I think there's a early bird special. It's already very low cost to join this mini conference at the Miracle Network. And I look forward to seeing you in January. Namaste.